It is a gorgeous Wednesday afternoon. Temperatures are comfortable in the low to mid 80s and the humidity not off the charts. Couple little clouds out here. It's not a bad day to be outside. And if you do need to get outdoor things done, today's probably the day to do it because we got rain in the forecast. Now tomorrow is not going to be an all-day washout. There will be plenty of dry times. I think the morning will be mostly dry, but some showers moving in throughout the daytime and some showers and thunderstorms also on Friday. So we end our work week with some rain around the region. Now there's not a whole lot of movement in the atmosphere here, and this is tropical moisture moving in with this, so we will likely see at least some heavier showers. You know how this goes. If any of these showers set up over the wrong spot, if something malfunctions, you get a little street flooding. So anytime we've got some tropical showers in the forecast, I always say we got to watch for street flooding. No, I don't think it's a major widespread issue, but it could be a localized issue. Also, a few showers tomorrow could produce some gusty winds over 30 to 40 miles an hour or so. Now, what we're watching in the Gulf will be more so this weekend and into early next week. Luckily, this does not look like a major problem, but it could be a big rainmaker for parts of the Gulf and over towards Florida. So slow development through this weekend. Models and the National Hurricane Center are still not very aggressive. We'll get our next update at about 1 o'clock this afternoon from the National Hurricane Center. Probably no significant updates with that. And a front coming in next week, a cold front, will move in around our area Monday to Tuesday. That'll take most of the moisture and push it towards Florida. So here's the latest on what's going on with this tropical disturbance. Well, there's not a whole lot to it other than a couple of areas of showers and storms, a broad area of tropical moisture that isn't moving very quickly. Now, what's interesting is the two areas we're going to be watching are eventually going to be teaming up essentially or getting close together. So I want to show you this first area is going to be moving towards the northwest, towards the Gulf. This area in the southwestern Gulf of Mexico isn't going to move much over the next few days. So we've got all this moisture that's going to be pulling into the Gulf of Mexico and just sitting there through the weekend. There's not a whole lot of steering currents this weekend. So watch this. That's the area of moisture in the Caribbean right now. That's the area of moisture that's currently right there in the southwest Gulf. This is Saturday night into Sunday. Notice you get this large area of moisture and somewhat of a broad low pressure developing. Now this is when we may see a tropical depression form, and if it can really organize, maybe it gets to the name storm. But really it looks like it's going to be mainly a rainmaker regardless of if it remains a low pressure, a tropical depression, or maybe a weak storm here. Either way, next week, next Monday and Tuesday, you can see it finally gets some movement to it. Our upper level winds change, cool front comes down to the south, and this pulls all the moisture towards Florida. So right now, my concern level is very low. Now, if you got plans this weekend, we were just talking about the Fried Chicken Festival. We got the Richard Simmons celebrations going on, celebrating his life this weekend in town. We got a lot going on outside. Yes, a couple of showers are possible Saturday, but the big time rains are trending like they're going to stay in the Gulf of Mexico and towards Florida. I'm more concerned with Florida at this point, getting some heavy rain into early next week. Elsewhere, Kirk is still a Category 1 storm. It is growing into a major hurricane soon. And we have TD 13, Tropical Depression 13. This will become Leslie soon, and luckily, they seem to be friends and they're going to follow each other. So Kirk is going to be a major storm staying out to sea. 13, which is going to be Leslie. It may get a little further west with some models, but notice still far away from the islands. Something obviously to watch for the islands long term, but most signs point to that curving out to sea as well. So doing okay with those storms way out there. It is also quite rare to have a hurricane that far east in October. It's been such a weird season. So hopefully we can get through the next month or two without any other problems. We're going to be watching for a beautiful day though, so get out there and enjoy it. Showers and storms around Thursday and Friday. Couple showers this weekend, and then next week we dry things out.